Hi everybody, welcome back for another quick tip to help you with your wedding planning. And today I want to talk about what's happening as you get close to your wedding and those final few weeks, maybe the last month before your wedding day, and how you can put it all into place and make sure when it comes to your wedding day everything will run smoothly. So you've probably been planning your wedding for at least a year or maybe in 24 months, and finally it's getting to the last few weeks or even the last month, and you've got to place everything together, make sure everything's organised, and this is where it's going to get slightly hectic. You want to work out a way of making sure it's nice and stress-free and you can enjoy it, and so when you get to your wedding day everything is absolutely in place and it all runs perfectly. So how do you do this? I think one of the best ways is to be organised when you're actually booking your suppliers. So for perhaps if you want to have a ring binder folder or something like that, where when you book your suppliers, think about the paperwork and try and get them to give you paperwork or perhaps print off paperwork. Maybe even use a spreadsheet on your computer as well at the same time. So you can tick off various columns when you get paperwork in, when you get invoices in, and also you can put the paperwork in an organised folder. So when it comes to that month beforehand, you just need to go through the paperwork and see what needs to be done at certain times. And also you could be using your calendar as well. Just put on dates when suppliers have agreed that they want payment, and also try and get invoices from them, because that will also help with your payments and your payment process. Also, you want to be thinking about what needs to be made bespoke and that kind of stuff that needs a certain amount of time to be made. So it's just a case of putting everything together in an organised sort of timeline of when things need to be done, and do that long in advance before you get to that final month, because that final month will become a little bit hectic if you're not organised, and you don't want to forget anything as well. And one final point is to try and organise all your payments to your suppliers in advance. And if you want any security on that, if you do feel that you need it, to be quite honest, hopefully you shouldn't need it at that point, but you can always use a credit card because they always have got the chargeback system, and I chatted through that on another video, so go and check that video out, which I'll link up there. But essentially, if you have organised all your payments in advance, when it gets to your day you can just relax, chill out. You don't have to have a best man carrying on cash payments or anything like that. It's much safer and it's just one less headache on the day as well. Also, as a supplier, we don't want to be running around asking for cash or anything on the day. We want to have it all done, and so you can relax and just enjoy yourself, and we can also enjoy being part of your day without worrying about those little financial or the paperwork sort of stuff. So there's another quick tip to help you with your wedding planning. If it has been helpful for you or you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also please subscribe to the channel because that really does help me out. And also I will link some other videos in the series just up there, so don't forget to check those out, and there's loads of great tips and advice to help you with your wedding planning. So thanks for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you very much and goodbye.